Have you ever wondered how two hearts, hailing from different ethnicities, could intertwine and beat as one, all while serving a divine purpose? This is the tale of Amit and Richa, a story that began in the hallowed halls of a business academy and blossomed into an inspiring journey of faith, love, and unity. Our story begins in the lively corridors of their college, where they were both pursuing their Bachelor of Business Administration. There was something about the way they crossed paths that seemed more than just coincidence. It was as if destiny herself had orchestrated their meeting. Amit, a charismatic young man with a heart full of dreams, met Richa, a spirited woman with a passion for prayer and a soul that radiated warmth. Their bond deepened with every shared laugh, every exchanged glance, and every intellectual debate over business strategies. They discovered in each other a kindred spirit, a mirror reflecting their hopes, dreams, and values. But what truly cemented their bond was their shared faith and their love for God. Despite their different ethnic backgrounds, they found unity in their devotion, with Richa's fervor for prayer complementing Amit's gift of healing. 10 years of companionship, 10 years of shared dreams, and 10 years of unwavering love led them to the inevitable. They decided to embark on a new journey together, a journey of lifelong commitment. And so they tied the knot, promising to love, honor, and cherish each other in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, and through the challenges of life that they would face together. Their love story took on a new chapter with the arrival of a little bundle of joy, a boy as radiant as the morning sun. Their child was the embodiment of their love, a testament to their faith and a symbol of their unity. Their different ethnicities did not divide them. Instead, it enriched their lives, merging into a beautiful tapestry of diverse traditions and shared faith. Today, Amit and Richa continue to serve their divine purpose. They are not just a couple, they are a team, loyal to each other and faithful to God. Their shared mission is to spread the gospel of Jesus Christ and disseminate his words among others. Richa, the prayer warrior, prays for the spiritual growth of their community. Amit, the healer, uses his gift to alleviate the suffering of others and bring them closer to God. In summary, this is more than just a love story. It's a tale of unity in diversity, of faith overcoming odds, and of love that serves a higher purpose. Amit and Richa's journey is a testament to the fact that love transcends all boundaries. And when coupled with faith, it becomes an unstoppable force that can change lives and touch souls. Their story is a beautiful reminder that love, faith, and unity can coexist harmoniously, creating a melody that resonates with the rhythm of life. Their paths crossed in the vibrant city of Ranchi, a place that would forever hold a special place in their hearts. This bustling city, with its rich cultural heritage and bustling markets, was the backdrop to Amit and Richa's love story. It is here where they first met, where their love blossomed, and where they decided to intertwine their lives together. Ranchi, with its beautiful sunsets and warm people, became a symbol of their love, a love that was as deep and as vibrant as the city itself. But Ranchi is not just a symbol of their love, it's also where they celebrated the first birthday of their little bundle of joy, Ivan. As their love story continues to unfold, they are reminded of their journey every time they look into Ivan's eyes. And as they celebrate his first birthday, they realize that their love story is just beginning.